Welcome back to my channel. This is Korin, and this video is gonna be, I'm gonna be opening up a package I got from ColourPop. I ordered a bunch of stuff. They had a really big, like everything was like half off sale. So it's a big box. So yeah, so I opened it and I looked at some stuff, but I didn't swatch anything. I didn't go that far. I just pulled them out and looked at them. But yeah, it has a cute little note and cute little coffee cups. Okay, now that's all the stuff I got. Woo! That's all the stuff I got. So the first handful, these are all their pressed powder shadows. So this is what they look like. They're little packages, and it's just like a little cardboard envelope thing. This is the first shadow, and it's in like a little plastic thingy. And this one's called Board Shorts, and it's like a really goldy color. I need to get a Z palette. Here, let me grab a Z palette really quick. I think I have one in here. This one's empty. I'm gonna put them in this Ofra Z palette I got. In like a BoxyCharm, I think. But anyways, okay. So this is Board Shorts. And it's just like a little goldy color, but it's so pretty. This one is called Lit. Yeah, Lit. I might have this one. But this one is just like a pretty purple color. Add that to the Z palette. This is another gold shimmery color. This is called Up and Atom. I guess I don't have to show you the cardboard. It looks kind of like Board Shorts. Board Shorts is a little bit darker, you can tell by the swatch. The next one is called The Game. And this one is kind of like, it looks kind of green. It's like a green gold, if that makes sense. The Game, maybe it's just gold. So the next handful. This one is called Deja Vu. Deja Vu? Yeah. Deja Vu. I'm trying not to wipe my arm on my shirt. I need makeup wipe. I'll be right back. So here is Deja Vu. Next is Hop On, and this is kind of like a reddish orange color. It's really bright red actually. This is Hop On. Put my fingers. Oh, I don't want to get on my shirt. Of course I wear a white shirt. Next is BPM. And this one's kind of like a, I don't know, this is like a coppery shimmery color. Next one is Double Date. And this one's like a purpley lavender shimmery color. Get rid of these. This one is like a bright goldy kind of color. That Rascal is sauvage. It looks like savage, but there's a U in there, so it's sauvage. I don't know. Next is Two to Mango. That one's kind of chalky. I don't know about that one. We'll see. That one didn't really do too well. So next, let's do the SuperShock Shadows next, because I'm so excited. I got 3 SuperShock Shadows, because I already have so many. Should I show you how many I have? I posted on Instagram my collection just the other day when they sent me the email saying that my stuff was in the mail. I was gonna make room, so I pulled them all out. But I have a lot, so I just got 3. I feel like these are the 3 that I don't have that I would wear. Cause I don't really like to get the matte SuperShocks because I just don't really wear them. I have a few of them, but I don't ever use them, so I just like to get the sparkly ones. So these are the 3 that I got. They're so cute. They're all in the same package, so maybe they're all from like the same little collection. I don't know. But this one is Lit Year. And it's so hard to describe the consistency because it's like a shadow, but it's like cushiony, you know, like a liquid. But it's like not a liquid, you know. I just love these. So this one is Lit Year. We'll swatch it. These ones are always like so super pigmented. See the glitter in it. It's like green with blue glitter. Okay, so this one is Snapdragon, and this is kind of like a bright green glitter teal kind of color. So the last SuperShock I got is Bow Down, Bow Down. And this one is like a dark purple glittery. Okay, so the next things that I got some liquid shadows, or what are these called? These are the Supernova Shadows, but they're like liquid shadows. They're like in a lipstick looking thing. I got Moonlit and Mothership. Oh. Listening to the groove station is making me think of it. Oh. Okay, so these are the 2 that I got. I got Moonlit and Mothership. Like a dark teal blue color. This is more like a topper, I'd think, than like a base. Like my finger's like covered in glitter. But not really a color, you know? Okay, so let's do Moonlit. My nails make it hard. Okay, so this one's pretty. That one's pretty. This one is so pretty. Look at that one. This one is a pressed powder cheek highlighter. Pressed powder cheek highlighter. This was from their Holiday 2017 collection. Oh, it's on here. So yeah, this one's taffy. And then this is the color. It's like a pink warm highlight, peachy warm highlight. It looks so pretty. Do you see? These are like ghost swatches on my arm from everything else I swatched. I got another highlight. This was a SuperShock Cheek, but it's like a highlight color. This one's in Candyman. Here, I'll show you what the box looks like. This is the little box. And it just looks like a bigger SuperShock Shadow. This is the Candyman, and then this is a regular SuperShock Shadow. And they're like in the same little tube things. This one's just bigger. So this one's gonna be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th one that I've gotten. These are all my SuperShock Cheeks. Okay. That is Candyman. It's kind of like more of a bronzer shade than a highlight shade, I think, for me. Just because that looks a little too dark, you know. There might be, like in the dark, it might look more dark than a highlight. But I will be using this as a bronzer. Usually I use my Dose of Colors bronzer, but this might take the place. It just might. Okay, so next is my banana powder. I got, hold on, let me see how much this was. This, I think I got this for full price. This wasn't on sale, but I really wanted to try it. So this is their no filter setting powder in banana. They have other shades, but I just really wanted to try the banana. So this is what it looks like. It's about the same size as this SuperShock Cheek. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to try this. I need a banana powder in my life. Okay, and the last thing I got some foundation, because I don't have any concealer. I have my contour shade concealer from them. Thank you. Chata delivery. Further, and they had a tool where you could pick the You could pick a foundation that you use now that you know is your shade. You can pick your shade and then it'll match up with their shades, whatever shade they think you would be. And the foundation's $12 each. So I got medium. I think medium 100 was my shade that they paired me with. I used my Fenty, the shade in my Fenty foundation, because that's like my perfect shade. I got medium 135 just in case I need to, like, you know, mix and match. So this is what the jar looks like. It's so cute. I love their packaging for these. So I use my Fenty 290. I'm in shade 290. I'm gonna shake them both up and then we'll swatch and see how good they did with what's it called? Trying to match my skin tone. Okay, so there's one pump and we'll see if it drips a whole lot. But this is my Fenty Beauty and then this is the ColourPop 100. Let's do the 135 and see if 135 was more of the Fenty. I don't know. I'm gonna put it right next to Fenty on this side. Oh wait, I gotta open it first. Okay, so this is the ColourPop 135, right? Medium 135. This is my Fenty 290, and this is the ColourPop medium 100. One of these two they tried to say was a perfect match to my Fenty. I don't know if it was this one or this one. I'll have to look again. But neither one really look the same. So I kind of patted them out. And again, this one's Fenty, medium 100, medium 135. One of these, I mean, this one kind of looks like it. This one's got more of like an olive yellow tone, gold tones in it. But I mean, neither one really look like it. So this is my Milani foundation on the end. So it kind of looks like the color. I think I can mix them together to make my tone. But I don't know. I mean, the Fenty and the Milani look the closest. So that was the foundation. I don't know how to feel now. I'm glad I didn't try to get concealer. So that was it. My box is empty. We opened up everything and I'm so excited because I just couldn't wait to open it. Okay, so let me tell you how much everything was. Where's my receipt? I got, how many things does it say? Well, I bought doubles of everything because it was all on sale for like I forgot 2 of them. It was like the price of 1 of them. So I was like, why not get 2 of everything? And then I could save it for a giveaway or, you know, do a giveaway right away. So I got everything I showed you, I got a double of. So there will be a giveaway coming up sometime in the future for all the things that you saw. Not the foundation though. I didn't get any foundation for the doubles of foundation. But I got the banana powder, all the eyeshadows, all the SuperShocks, the highlight, SuperShock Cheek, the taffy shadow, and most of this stuff's getting discontinued, so you're welcome. But yeah, so all of this stuff's gonna be in a giveaway sometime soon. I just don't know when. So in all, I bought I got 42 items and I spent $155, almost $156. And if I went to Sephora and, you know, my total was $156, I would have got a foundation and an eye palette, and that would have been $150. So I love ColourPop because they're super affordable. I got 40 something things for the price of what Sephora would sell me 2 things for. So that's fucking cool, man. Shout out to ColourPop. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe if you aren't already, and peace and love.